In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your system with TickTick. We'll walk through creating a clean structure that keeps your tasks clear, searchable, and easy to act on. Start by opening TickTick and heading to the Today view. This is your daily command center, and it's the perfect place to begin so you can see how new lists and tasks roll up into your day. From here, open the Lists panel. This is where all your areas, projects, or categories live, and where we'll create the structure that supports your workflow. Click the plus sign to create a new list. Give your list a clear, specific name. Think outcome-based names like marketing launch, or scope-based names like personal errands. Consistent naming makes it much easier to filter and find things later. Next, choose a list color. Color coding adds visual cues at a glance. Use a system that's meaningful to you, like green for personal, blue for work, or red for urgent initiatives. Then pick your view type. If you like a simple linear approach, stick with the standard list view. If you prefer visual stages, Kanban-style columns can help you track progress from to-do to done. Select a folder if you want to group this list with similar ones. Folders are great for organizing by area of life or department. Choose the list type that best matches how you'll use it. Keep it simple. The goal is to make adding and completing tasks feel effortless. If you see an option to show this list in Smart Lists, turn it on. This makes tasks surface automatically in today, next 7 days, and other helpful roll-ups so nothing slips through the cracks. Click Add to create the list. Now open the list and click Add Task. Type in your first task. Use clear action verbs and include any useful context, like email vendor about invoice, rather than just email. Short, specific tasks are easier to start and finish. When you're ready to create another list, click the plus sign again. Enter the new list name and repeat the same steps. Pick a color, view type, folder, list type, and whether to include it in Smart Lists. Click Add to finalize it. Open this second list, click Add Task, and type your first task there as well. With these lists and initial tasks in place, you've set up a tidy, scalable structure. As you work, keep refining names, colors, and views so your setup stays intuitive and supports your day without adding friction.